Riding, riding, riding. I do not remember learning. It feels as though I always knew. The reins were waiting in my hand. The horse was already beneath me. Haere, haere, te hoi hoi te au. Ride, ride, look on the wind. Riding, riding, riding. My Kuia beside me, blind but strong. Her eyes could not see the paddocks, but her spirit saw everything. She carried me, and the horses carried us both. Bareback for freedom, saddled for the journey. 2 horses, hers and mine, waiting at the fence line. Snorting clouds in the morning air. Riding, riding, riding. I was a child, a teenager, galloping across bright fields, wind in my hair, the earth drumming beneath us. Then the city comes, the horses stayed behind. I traded reins for a steering wheel, paddocks for the streets. But the rhythm never left my bones. The love of horses never faded.
I see my Mokopuna fly, galloping free with hair in the sky. Her joy brings back the child in me. The horse still carries our memory.
Riding the wind, riding the years.
Through the laughter,
Uri, e rea me te hau. That
from the
something's playing in the wind.
paddock to the city lights, the horse still carries me tonight. Riding the wind, riding the years, through the laughter, through the tears, from Kuia's hands to Mokopuna's rein, the horse will always call my
From Kuia to Mokopuna, the horse still carries us. Riding, riding, riding. Now I see my Mokopuna fly, her hair streaming, her laughter rising, her horse galloping across the field, and in her I see myself again. I remember, I rejoice, for the horses still carried us, from Kuia to child to Mokopuna. The horses still carried us, riding, 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 forever riding in the wind, riding, riding, riding.
The horse still carries me tonight.
Ke te hoiho kaui a tātou, mana rā ona rā, ia rā a kōkō.
Now I see my Mokopuna fly, galloping free with hair in the sky. Her joy brings back the child in me. The horse still